A very good morning, students. Welcome to today's English class. In this class we are going to learn about the lesson, or we are going to continue the lesson, A Tiger in the House. This story is written by Ruskin Bond. In the previous class, students, we have learned that how our author was telling a story about his childhood days. How his grandfather brought a tiger cub to the home, and how they look after that tiger, and how they have given name for that, and what are the changes came over to that tiger, and why they sent that tiger to the zoo, and how our author's grandfather, got an opportunity to meet with that tiger, and how he showed love towards that tiger when he met with that tiger. These all things we have learnt in the previous classes, students. Now let us continue the lesson. All of you open the textbook and see the 13th para. Let us read the lesson. He licked grandfather's hands and only sprang away when a leopard in the next cage snarled at him. Grandfather shooed the leopard away, and the tiger returned to lick his hands. But every now and then, the leopard would rush at the bars and the tiger would slink back to his corner. Here, when they were cherishing each other, when the tiger and grandfather were cherishing each other, at that time, the leopard in the next cage was frightening to this tiger, students. At that time, what was the action of that tiger? It was only sprang away. Sprang is the verb to form of spring, students. Spring means move quickly. By frightening towards that leopard, tiger was moving quickly from backside, students. Understood? And after that, the grandfather was try to shoot that leopard. At that time, again the tiger come forward, and again that used to lick grandfather's hand. Again that snarled at the tiger. What is the meaning of snarl, students? Showed the teeth and made a deep angry noise in the throat. Leopard is making some noise to frighten that tiger. Again it frightening the tiger, and again every now and then, again and again, tiger going back. See, students, slink back means move quietly. Simply moving quietly to save from that leopard. This was happening when grandfather was showing cherishment towards that tiger. After that, what happened in the 14th para, students? A number of people had gathered to watch the reunion when a keeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. What happened there, students? What is the meaning of reunion? Two people meeting again after a long time, or separation. After a long time they met with each other, so that's why they were showing cherishment towards each other. Understood, students? So, watching these all things who were gathered there in the zoo, the people who were gathered in that zoo, they were attracted by this and they made a crowd there. Crowd is a crowd means the group of people. Understood, students? All the people gathered there to see the reunion of this tiger and grandfather, students. Understood? To see that. Okay. A keeper pushed his way through the crowd and asked grandfather what he was doing. When keeper was there in that zoo, his responsibility was there to take care of all the animals and guide the people who were gathered there. Yes or no, students? So he asked the grandfather that what he was doing, to know about that thing, about that. Understood, students? So what happened? What was the answer? I am talking to Timothy. The grandfather answered that he was talking to his Timothy. He was thinking that which tiger he was speaking, or he was showing love, that was his Timothy, which was given by him before 6 months. Understood, students? Then weren't you here when I gave him to the zoo 6 months ago? When I gave this zoo, you was there at that time? You was here at that time? You know about the thing? I have given a tiger to the zoo. That tiger was Timothy. Now, this is my Timothy which was given by me. Like this way that the grandfather was saying to the keeper students. Understood? Then, I haven't been here very long. I have just joined here. I'm a newcomer. So that I don't know about the thing what you are saying now. I don't know about Timothy or your tiger or about your tiger. So he's saying like that, and said the surprised keeper. He is very surprised. Why he is very surprised? He was very surprised. Please continue your conversation. But I have never been able to touch him myself. He is always very bad tempered. He was the keeper of that zoo, but the tiger did not allow the keeper to touch him. So because he was showing the angerness towards the keeper, so that this keeper was very much surprised, because this is the tiger, the dangerous tiger is showing love towards the grandfather. So he was very surprised. That tiger was licking grandfather's hand, and that is grandfather is touching that tiger. So these all things seems very surprising for all the people of the zoo and the keeper of the zoo also. Understood, students? Now come for the next one. Why don't you put him somewhere else? Suggested grandfather. That leopard keeps frightening him. I'll go and see the superintendent about it. He saw the incident. Grandfather saw the incident, how the leopard is disturbing that tiger. Yes or no, students? Now, he wanted to change his place from far from that leopard, students. This grandfather wanted to change the tiger's place far from that leopard to live peace, to make him live happily. Understood, students? So like this way, so for this he suggested to the keeper that why don't they change him or put him somewhere else for the dog, for the tiger. That leopard keeps frightening him. Again and again that leopard keeps frightening him. I'll go and see the superintendent about it. If I then he said that he will speak with the authorities of the zoo. He will suggest about the thing. Understood, students? So he went from that place to know about say these things to the superintendent. What happened in the 15th para? Grandfather went in search of superintendent of the zoo. He searched that superintendent, the authorities of that zoo, but found that he had gone home early. He did not meet with the superintendent of that zoo. He was failed to suggest. He doesn't suggest anybody about it because no one is there. Means superintendent is not there. He went to home. And so after wandering about the zoo for a little while, he returned to Timothy's cage to say goodbye. It was beginning to get dark. It was going to dark, so that he want to go to home. That's why at last he came to near the Timothy's cage to say goodbye to him. He doesn't know if he will come again to meet with him or not. So that's why he came here to near to the cage of Timothy to say goodbye to him. At that time something happened here, students. See in the 16th para. He had been stroking and slapping. Again, he is showing love towards the tiger, Timothy, for about the 5 minutes. 5 minutes he was showing love towards that tiger. When he found another keeper observing him with some alarm. Grandfather recognized him as a keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. What is here? When he was loving the tiger, another keeper came there. That was a zoo where they used to do their work shift-wise. Shift-wise they were doing their work in that zoo. So morning shift was finished and a newcomer keeper went to home, and now the old keeper, the second keeper, came to the work. Understood, students? So he was watching everything in alarm. Alarm. Alarm means fear, not alarm. This is alarm. Huh? So he is watching the tiger with fear. He was afraid. He was scared about the tiger. Understood, students? Because that is very dangerous tiger. So grandfather recognized him as the keeper who had been there when Timothy had first come to the zoo. He know about the grandfather recognized that. He remembered that this keeper is the old keeper who know about Timothy. So he went there to speak with him. Okay, you remember me? He asked to that keeper. Now, why don't you transfer Timothy to another cage away from this stupid leopard? Again, he suggested to this keeper to change Timothy's cage from any other place, anywhere else. Understood, students? So, what was the answer? But sir, stammered the keeper. He doesn't allow the grandfather to speak anything. He want to say something. Quickly he is saying something. Stammered means quickly he is saying something. But sir, stammered the keeper, it is not your tiger. Why are you carrying this tiger like this? This is not your tiger. He know about all the animals of that zoo. So he know about the Timothy also. And so he is telling that this is not the Timothy. That Timothy which was given by grandfather. After that, what was the answer? I know, said grandfather testily. Testily means quickly. Testily means quickly. I realized he is no longer mine because I have given him to the zoo. So now he is of zoo authorities, zoo peoples. So, but you might at least take a suggestion or two from me. As a watcher, you can get the suggestion of me. Please change his place far from the leopard and make him live peacefully. Understood, students? So he said that to the keeper to transfer him to any other cage from the leopard, because leopard was giving trouble for that tiger. Now come for the next page, students. I remember your tiger very well. I know about your tiger, said the keeper. He died 2 months ago. He died 2 months ago. He is telling the truth now, students. Died? Exclaimed grandfather. What is the meaning of exclaimed, students? Cry out suddenly, painfully. The grandfather of our author was look after that tiger as his child. When he got the news of his death, at that time he felt very sad. So he exclaimed. He said like this, died. So like this way, he is feeling very sad now. Yes, sir, of pneumonia. How Timothy was died, students? Timothy was died from the disease of pneumonia. This tiger was trapped in the hills only last month, and he is very dangerous. He have brought this tiger from the hill. When they brought that last month, they brought this tiger. This is very dangerous. So that's why they are scaring about that tiger. All are very surprised to see the reunion of the love of both of them, the tiger and the grandfather. Because they know the truth. Last month only they brought the tiger from the hills. They know about the qualities, the character of the tiger. Understood, students? Now this is the dangerous tiger. What was the reply? Grandfather could think of nothing to say because he is in sorrow. So he could not think of he could think of nothing to say. He can't think anything about, because he is very sad, students. Understood? He is disturbed now. Understood? The tiger was still licking his arm with increasing relish. Increasing relish means more and more licking. Again and again it is licking the grandfather's hand. Grandfather took what seemed to him an age to withdraw his hand from the cage. It is time to withdraw his hand from the cage, because now he got the keeper said the truth to the grandfather. So now he know that this tiger is not mine. This is the other tiger. The tiger of grandfather Timothy was died. Died because of pneumonia. These all things he know about. That's why he thought that this is the time to withdraw his hand from the cage. So he withdrawn his hand from the cage. Withdraw his hand from the cage. With his face near the tigers, he mumbled. After also again he mumbled. Mumbled means here, students, say something quietly. Say something quietly. He was not ready to accept that truth, students, because he loved the tiger very much, so that he was not ready to accept that truth. Again he said to the tiger, he mumbled to the tiger, "Good night, Timothy." He was seeing his tiger, seeing his Timothy in that tiger, so he was telling good night, Timothy, and giving the keeper a scornful look. Scornful look means look of disrespect. He was not looking him in respect, because he doesn't tell him good news. He has told him a bad news, a sad news. So that's why he is looking the keeper in a disrespect, look of disrespect. And what happened next? He briskly walked briskly out of the zoo. Briskly means in an impatient way. In an impatient way. Impatiently, without having patience, he went quickly from that place. He don't want to stay at that place where his Timothy was died. So with the feeling of sad, he went to home, students. He felt very much sad, students. Very sad about the news. So this is the story about a tiger in the house, and after that a tiger in the zoo, and after the death of Timothy, and the sentiment of grandfather towards that tiger, love towards that tiger. These are all things we have learned in this story, students. Now I hope you have written the glossary words in your fair notes. I'll give the extra glossary words for you in the pic, students. Thank you so much.